In this video, I show you how to complete the IPS process. So the first thing you should have done before now is to check your email. There is a message from IPS with a 15-minute video explaining exactly what you need to do. And then your next step would be to pick up or get the link from your sponsor. So you should have received the link from me, and this is your next step on how to navigate or complete the process and get your link to give your own team. So when you come here, you choose the product you paid for. If you're on 50 level, you click on the 50. If you are on the elite, you click on the elite. If you are on the pro, you click on the pro. If you're on the premium, you click on the premium. So I'm going to use the premium as example. So I'm just going to click there. You have to create your account. Okay, you've got to create your account, and then you have to also make sure you see my name here. If you don't see my name here, you've got the wrong link. So once you create your account, it's going to open up to a page. Now it won't open up for me because I already have an account. I'm going to try this again. Okay, so continue the training. It won't let me. I was trying to do like a fake account, but it won't let me. The system has information of who actually bought. So I decided to use Teresa's details to see if we can get access. So I have Teresa's name, email, phone number. I've made up a password, which I will give Teresa. And immediately I added Teresa's information in the form. It pulled out the membership level. So the system does know the membership level, even though when I clicked 600 when I was testing. But it pulled out the membership level. So let me click join and see what happens. If it will go through this time. Come on. Oh, it went through. It went through. Okay, fantastic. So now with this, when you log in, you're going to see pay. You're going to see the option to make a payment, okay? Don't make a payment. Type here. You see these comments here. You type I am a say pro level. I can't remember what I typed. Hold on, I have it in a notepad somewhere. So let me see if I can find my notepad. I originally bought so that was my notepad. So for Teresa, I can't remember how you bought. I'm just making this up, okay? IPS 300 level. You need to write what it is. And paid my admin. Whenever you paid your admin fee or whenever you made your purchase, you put that date there. And then how you paid. So I'm just making this up because I don't have Teresa's details. And then that should be enough. That should be enough, okay? And then submit. So you don't need to click to pay anything because you have already made that payment. This is for those who are old members. For new members, you have to pay, okay? So even here where it says pro level, the step is 300 and let me see. He gave me a card. So let me submit this first. Submit and then see what happens, okay? Okay, awaiting approval. And payment 2 of 2, okay? So that concludes it. I believe this concludes it. That information now goes to my own system and then I have to approve it. You don't need to, if you have made a payment previously, you don't need to make any payments. You don't need. So from my dashboard, I try to find a way to approve. I think I'm missing a step. And I think the step I'm missing and why I can't approve is because I'm trying to log in as Teresa, but she should be logging in as herself. And then it will give her a payment option, but you don't have to pay because you've already paid. And then you will just click and then you will get an email saying your account has been created. And then you get your own login detail to log into this dashboard. If you get to that point where it says pay and it's not letting you move forward and you filled out the form, your system, your information has entered my system. You can now email IPS and say that this, you try to fill out the form and it's forcing you to make a payment, and this is a situation. Then you provide them all the information that they need. Then they will sort it out from internally, because I try to see if I can sort it out myself, and I can't. I see the members, but I don't see, hold on, let me see if I can go back and show you what I see. I see the members, but I don't see how to approve them. But when you click on referral program and your direct members, it shows me those who have filled out the form. So you can see Tina's name, you can see Gwen's name, and that's Teresa. I was trying to fill out Teresa, but I don't get any option to approve. And I think that's because the payments didn't go through. So yeah, you need to email them with it, with proof that you have filled out the form, but when you get to the payment bit, it was, kind of forcing that you make the payment. And then you show them the proof that you have made payment previously, if you have. And if you haven't and you're brand new, show that don't pay $79. Don't pay $79. Mention that you are part of my team, and then show them my link and say that Andrea has said that since you purchased before the launch, you can pay the old fee, and you're requiring the old fee and activation of your account. A link to pay the old fee and activation of your account, and then they will do that for you. Okay, so that's where we're going to end it for now, but at least you know what steps to take. And I think once they sort it out, then I'll be able to do more with you guys here. But I think it's a good idea because you get to see everybody that's your client on the dashboard, and you get to see how well they are doing also. And I did see something like leaderboard somewhere, and it shows it's a members area. I saw somewhere like it says leaderboard, and it shows everyone that is like right at the top on IPS. Let's see, is it this one? Yes, leaderboard. I thought it was a good idea. So you can see, how well other people are doing. Even for them as a company, you can see this is a name of people who, are right at the top making a lot of sales, So by the time you guys enter your details, then my name should come up at some point here. I don't think I'm as high as all these people, but these people here, their clients have clicked on the IPS link and registered themselves in. That's why they're up at the leaderboard. The first time I checked, Daryl wasn't here. He was down this way, but now he's come up this way. So I think that with the kind of sales he's making, he should be right at the top. So yeah, honestly, I think you guys, there's no harm in getting the IPS product, whether you're going to sell it or not. Just have it and be on the system. You've paid for it already. So just be on the system, because she is coming from the internet marketing world. They know a lot of tactics and things, and it's different from the coaching world. Michelle is coming from the direct sales world. So it's a different mindset and a different, way of doing things. That's why for me personally, I'm going to still complete my account, which I've done with IPS, because I want to learn from whatever they are doing. Okay. So I hope this video helps, and I'll just send you guys the link, and then, yeah.